Hello everybody and welcome back to the vlog. Welcome back to another video. So today, special treat. I'm always sitting in specific spots for this VlogVember. So I decided to take you guys along a day with me, and today is Thursday, so it's like one of my busiest days. So decided to take you along and just show you what I do. So I'm up early, as you know, and I'm about to drop my daughter to school. It's not something I do all the time, but for the sake of this video, we'll be dropping her to school and heading to the grocery store. So I thought I'd take you guys along with me. And yeah, so this is the intro of today's vlog. Let's get into it. Hello, 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 hello. All right, say hi to the vlog.
Guys, welcome back to my channel.
Your channel. So I preheated the vehicle for this girl because it is definitely getting colder here in Toronto. And you know what she told me? I said, did you feel how warm it is? And she said,
I felt the same.
She's like, it's not that warm. Okay. Well, you're gonna know the difference next time. All right, little miss? Don't be ungrateful.
The beehive menagerie.
So you're gonna tell the vlog your name?
Hi guys, I'm Shyla.
Oh, I never understood these lights that count down and then it's still like, what?
Yeah, you can still walk though.
What is the countdown for? One of these days we'll include our little mukbang.
Okay.
So she always tapes us eating if we eat in the car. What do you do with those videos?
I watch them over sometimes.
They're pretty funny, aren't they?
Yeah.
All right, well, we've arrived at school and I don't want to be vlogging while I drop her, so.
Ew, losers, you're walking.
My bad.
That's not nice.
It's Anthony. I had to. He tried to make me walk and I said no.
Oh. Hello guys, so I am here, dropped off my daughter. I'm about to go into Costco. Pray for me. I've been sitting in the car just checking up on some emails and stuff, and you know, I've been blessed with a very nice vehicle, and so I park far away because one, I know the ins and outs of the insurance side of stores, department stores. And I tell you, so if you're watching this, when you're in a plaza, be careful how you drive, be mindful of other people, stop racing for parking spots, and stop speeding down laneways where people are walking or children might run out. And please, if you have a cart, put it back where it belongs. It could be a windy day and you could just, because of your laziness, and I say that boldly, because of your laziness, you leave a cart out and it ends up blowing and striking somebody's vehicle. It's not fair, and it's such a tasteless act to do. I've been sitting here in a proper parking spot and people are zipping sideways because it's emptier. They're zipping like sideways and, sorry, the light's going. They're zipping like sideways and through parking spots and stuff like that. And I'm like, for what? Why? Anyways, that's just my rant. This world is like, we always want to rally for the big things that are happening. And I really, truly, strongly believe that the big issues that we have is because we suck at foundational things. We suck at being courteous. We suck at putting back a cart so it doesn't damage somebody's car. But we want to rally on the mountaintops for big things. It starts from the small things, and that's my 2 cents, you know. Anyways, let me go into Costco, the war zone. If you know, you know. I just have one thing I want to get from there that I saw that I said I'll come back and get it. So I'm gonna go get that now. If there's one thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go to Vehicle University, or here in Toronto we have a highway called the 401. I always like to call it 401 University. Forever listening to podcasts, forever listening to audiobooks, forever listening to even YouTube videos that are just constantly feeding me and growing me and stretching me and really challenging me to be a better me. It is so important. So I just want to share that moment because I'm actually sitting here and it's been a minute. I've been just in the car, just I'm about to go into Walmart, but I just want to share that that's something that I definitely do, is go listen to a lot of things in my vehicle and spend some time just filling myself in this space. Hey guys, I am back home. I've been home for a while. Just got off of a Zoom call for a special event that I am a part of, and I will get into that as you continue to watch the videos. So I'll leave that suspense. But yeah, just finished a Zoom call. It was very good, and I still haven't packed away anything that I have bought. I'm going to go ahead and start preparing meals. I'm going to do a separate video of just showing you what I eat in a day, but this vlog is more just my busy day, where I told you Thursdays is my most active day, which I'm thankful for. Some people don't have anything to do, so I'm grateful that I have things to do, and I'm grateful I have the ability to do it. So I'm just going ahead and gonna complete this meal prepping thing and show you guys what I got. So hold on. So as you can see, I picked up some almond milk. This is gonna help me make my overnight oats. I'm showing you that they have the Kimcade, the Alani new drinks. Excited to try this. I believe it's like a lemonade feeling, a lemonade taste or something. So let's see what a can looks like. How do you open this? I hate when they make things complicated. How do you open it? I feel like I'm just gonna do that at the top. Cause what? That was complicated. Kim, we don't know how to open the can. Ooh, what a good size. Look at that. Not really the best for you. I'm seeing natural flavor and artificially flavored. It's an energy drink. There is caffeine in this for sure. And I'm looking for aspartame. I can't stand aspartame. I don't know. I don't think I see it there. But somehow, some way, they got some vitamins. They got some B12. I need that. B6. All right. Definitely pretty. We can see you there, Kim K. This is very, very good advertisement. Hey, I wanted to buy it. All right. Then got some hot chocolate for the kitties. Yes, I got raw meat in here that I'm washing. Some Tim Hortons hot chocolate for the kitties and cappuccino. It's not for me. I also ran out of onions, and I love red onions, so I got that. I got some green onions. I got some, yeah, so I got some green onions. Super expensive, by the way. I got some thyme to cook with, and I ran out of garlic. I'm gonna go ahead and do some prepping of meals. Again, if you want to see a video about what I eat in a day, that will come within the series. But right now, I'm quickly just going to, for the purpose of this vlog, it's a day in my life. It's not about what I eat in a day. So I will show you. No, I'm just gonna prep. You're gonna see me prepping. That's it. Okay, I'm doing that now. Okay, bye. I just actually want to try this with you guys. Want to try this with you guys before I go ahead and prep. Ooh. Okay. Oh, that's good. It definitely is like pink lemonade inspired. It's sweet. It's tasty. Definitely addictive if you like this sort of thing. Cotton candy-ish towards the end, you know, that kind of all right, Kim, this is good. Okay, just want to try that with you guys. So in terms of healthy food, if you struggle with sweet drinks, soda, all that jazz, I don't recommend it. But if you're somebody that has no problem drinking their water and mainly drinking water, but now and then you want to have a little something, this is good. I got to keep this away from my daughter. It is definitely $20 for 12, and my kids will drink this off in one day. I know it. Well, my daughter will. So got to keep this away from her. And yeah, good stuff. Thanks, Kim. Oh, focus. I'm trying to turn up this autofocus. Hi, guys. Oh, it is later on in the day. I meal prepped. I ate. Spent some time with hubby. Cleaned up a bit and got ready and just drove downtown because I actually teach fitness classes downtown Toronto. And it's an evening class for adults, so I'm currently down here now. Class does start in 5 minutes, but I haven't picked up the vlog to update you because this is spend the day with me. So as I said, Thursdays are like crazy and I am extremely exhausted because after this, my class is from 7:30 to 8:30, but then after this I have to drive all the way back to Durham, and if you're familiar with this area, so it's about, I have to drive back the hour, but even past my house to do another contract thing that I do in the evenings some nights, and so I'm going to do that after this. And yeah, this training ground of one of my students are just saying hi to me, but this training ground is, I definitely feel like I'm in a training ground season of just doing uncomfortable things to get where I want to go. So a lot of sacrificing, and yeah, I can't wait until next week though, because I am definitely out of here for a bit. can't wait to share that with you guys. But yeah, until then, today is Thursday. I'm gonna go in, teach this class now. Hopefully get a little bit of that. I don't necessarily tape them, but we'll see what we can do. If not, then yeah, sorry. You know, it's kind of private for some people to just work out and not be on camera. So I'm gonna go do that now. I need this memory. Don't look up. I don't want your face in my camera. I just want this memory of us being in the hall. Hello guys, it's the next morning and I'm so sorry that I didn't end with you guys. Well, honestly, if I did pick up the camera, it was about almost 3 a.m. when I was finished my last obligation and I was exhausted. So just picking up to just end the vlog here. Hope you enjoyed spending the day with me and I hope that you are continuing to stay with us for this VlogVember, and I will see you guys in the next video. You are loved. Bye.